In this clip, we will cover plots within WellSeeker Pro. In order to open up a plot, first you must either have a planned wellbore, actual wellbore, or survey open to reference that plot to. In this case, I have a plan open. Once you have a plan open, you can go to plots and see the plots that are available to open. In this case, we've got plan view, section view, and 3D view, which give physical representations of the data in your plan. Travelling cylinder, separation factor, ladder, and spider plots, which are anti-collision reference plots. And then comparison plots between offsets for azimuth, inclination, and dogleg. The majority of those plots are also available from the WellSeeker Pro toolbar. So I've got my plan selected. I'm going to open up a section view chart. This is the default setting, opening of the chart. If you don't like the initial layout or visual representation of grid lines, labels, and items within this plot, these can be changed by going to plots and chart defaults, where these are mainly user editable. Once the chart is open, you can also edit the layout of it and the items visible by going to the toolbar and chart properties, or double left clicking anywhere on the chart area. This then opens up a wide variety of options available for user editing. In this case, I'm going to turn on my lithologies, lithology lines, annotations, casing symbols, make sure they're tethered to their reference point, change the colour for the lithologies and lithology lines to magenta, and change my well plan colour to green. Once you're happy with the changes that you've made, select OK, and this will be represented on the plot with the changes. Vast majority of labels on the plot can be moved, and when tether lines are enabled, they're tethered back to their original reference point. Additionally, you can zoom in on any area of the plot by left-clicking and dragging, and then releasing. This will zoom in. You can then scroll left and right and up and down using the scroll bars, and if at any point you want to return back to the default zoom, press Z on your keyboard. Currently, we only have our well plan visible within the plot, but it is also possible to put on offset wells. In order to do this, we go up to the Select Offsets dialog, and from here we can select various different wells that we want to include on our plot. We apply those changes, and in order to toggle them off and on, we have to go Offsets On. Select that, and the offsets we had selected are now visible within the plot. If we want to get rid of them again, we simply hit Offsets Toggle. There are some additional items available for editing, such as movement of the axis labels and additional additions. We can also export the image. So if we go to the Export dialog, we can copy to the clipboard on our desktop, export as an image file in any of these formats, or send to the printer for access to PDF printers or any other printer you have on your device. That completes the brief overview of plots within WellSeeker Pro.